Hello, so today I created a presentation that will help break down one of Earth's most important processes, the rock cycle. Even though rocks look solid and unchanging, they're actually part of a huge recycling system that's been running for billions of years. By the end of this video, you'll understand how rocks constantly move between different forms and why this process is essential for shaping our planet. Let's get started. The rock cycle is powered by two big things: Earth's eternal heat and surface processes. Heat inside Earth melts rock, pushes it upward, and creates pressure deep underground. At the surface, weather, water, wind, and ice break rocks apart and move the pieces around. All of these forces work together to transform rocks again and again, which is why we see so many different types today. One way the cycle creates new rocks is through igneous rock. Igneous rocks form when melted rock, either magma or lava, cools and hardens. If it cools slowly underground, crystals grow large. If it cools quickly at the surface, the crystals stay small. But igneous rock doesn't stay that way forever. Once it's exposed at the surface, it begins to break down, which moves the cycle into its next stage. When any rock breaks apart from weathering, the pieces become sediments. Those sediments get moved by wind, water, or ice and eventually settles into layers. Over long periods of time, they get compacted and cemented together, forming sedimentary rock. These rocks often show layering and sometimes contain fossils, which helps us understand Earth's past environments. Now, sedimentary rocks, or any rock types, can get buried deep underground. When that happens, they're exposed to intense heat and pressure. Instead of melting, their minerals change and reorganize, creating metamorphic rock. This stage shows how the rock cycle transforms rocks without breaking it into pieces or turning it into liquid. Now let's look at the full rock cycle. Here it is in motion. Igneous rocks breaks down into sediments. Sediments turn into sedimentary rock. When you look at sedimentary rocks and they get buried, it becomes metamorphic rock. Metamorphic rocks melt into magma, and when magma cools, igneous rocks form again. But remember, this cycle is not linear. Any rock can change into any other rock depending on conditions. That flexibility is what makes the rock cycle so powerful. So why does this all matter? Because the rock cycle explains how landscapes form, how mountains grow and grow, and how Earth's surface has changed over time. It also helps geologists locate resources like minerals, metal, and fossil fuels. The rock cycle is basically Earth's history book, and every rock tells a part of the story.